This video examines the effect of separation temperature on purification efficiency in marine purifiers, which function as centrifugal separators. I am asked, Professor Manivannan S., a marine engineer and naval architect, here to guide you through these fundamental engineering principles. This chart illustrates how varying separation temperatures directly influence the efficiency of the purification process. The separation temperature is a critical factor for separator efficiency. It impacts both the density and viscosity of the oil and water, ensuring effective purification. Maintaining the correct temperature is essential for optimizing your system's performance. Always prioritize keeping the separation temperature within the specified range to avoid drops in efficiency. For operation, always refer to the manufacturer's standard recommendations if an order-specific datasheet is unavailable. It is equally important to consistently maintain the recommended inlet oil temperature. Following these operating guidelines ensures reliable performance from your marine equipment. If the oil temperature drops too low, separation efficiency will decrease significantly. This happens because increased viscosity hampers the separation process inside the unit. As a result, the unit becomes much less effective at removing water from the oil. Finally, we must recognize the inherent limitations of centrifugal separation. Specifically, these systems cannot remove emulsified or dissolved water. Furthermore, very fine particles or those with a density close to that of the oil may remain in the system. If you experience high water content, start by checking the oil-water interface, also known as the separation line. Next, verify that your gravity disk selection is correct for the specific oil and operating conditions. Confirm that both the system temperature and flow rate are set to the required operating parameters. Troubleshooting high water content requires a systematic approach to each of these variables. We will summarize the key takeaways to ensure you maintain optimal purifier operation. First, always maintain the correct temperature according to manufacturer specifications. Second, strictly follow all provided operating guidelines for the equipment. Third, consistently monitor your separator settings for any signs of performance drift. Finally, be aware of the inherent technical limitations of the separator unit. By keeping these 4 points in mind, you can ensure your marine engineering systems run efficiently and reliably. Thank you for watching this educational video on centrifuge operations. If you found this information useful, please consider subscribing to the Siemens Soundcard channel for more marine engineering content.